Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another mystery unboxing video. Although this time I sort of know what's in here. I don't know the fragrance, but I do know who it's from. I was contacted by a company called Lomani, and you guys may have heard of them before. They actually are in rack stores, so the loose bottles. And I've tried a couple from them that are really good and inexpensive. They are now getting into entry level luxury fragrances. So they wanted to send me something. I told them to send it over. As I said, I've tried things before from them and I was really impressed. So they sent me a bottle. I'm excited to try it. I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that, but we're going to bust it open. I told them I'm going to give an honest review of the fragrance. So let me get into it and we'll look at the notes if there are any. And this is brand new, so I don't know if this is officially released yet. Let's take a look. So yeah, Lomani fragrances. As I said, I've tried a couple. I want to say like Lomani White. They're in France, I believe. They're based out of France. At least I know this particular bottle was made in France. So, okay, so we have Lomani Paris. L'Or Gold is the name of the fragrance. They gave me a little handout here to, okay, it's got some notes in there. I don't want to look at that yet. I want to see, I want to be surprised. So here we have the fragrance, L'Or Gold, and this is from their Les Essentials line. Let's not waste any time. I'm not wearing anything today, so I'm going to get this right on skin. Okay, so right away, the presentation is nice. I'm always a sucker for these boxes that pull out, you know, like that. So you guys have seen it before me. All right, so there you go. Whoa.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It didn't break. What might have broken is my ankle because I'm sitting on my desk chair. And I literally stopped the bottle from hitting the floor with my ankle, and this bottle is really freaking heavy. So right there, you have a quality bottle, okay? Very heavy cap because the cap came off. So presentation-wise, yeah, this doesn't feel cheap in the hand. And they also sent what looks like a little travel 10 mil atomizer. So nice little touch there. As we always do, let's take a look at the atomizer. Yeah, my ankle is throbbing right now. All right. Let's get this on skin. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Definitely getting a richness up top. Rich, maybe some amber, woody, musky, possibly oud, but it's hard to say. It's definitely woody though. Maybe a little bit of a excuse me, maybe a little bit of a vanilla. Let's see what this does off of skin. Interesting. Yeah, I'm picking up some fruit, some vanilla. It's warm. It's a little bit spicy. It's woody. It has a lot of depth to it. I'm thinking, is this particularly masculine? I think it could go either way. It's really a unisex fragrance, just on my knee-jerk first impressions of it. Quality's there. Smells really nice. I'm curious of the notes in here because I can't quite pick them out individually. Smells really nice though. I'm getting a lot of musk. Lots of musk from this. So let me take a look at the notes really quickly. They gave me a handout. Just sort of going over. It looks like there's other, the other fragrances from the collection. Okay, so there's 5 different fragrances. The bottle design is, well, we know it's heavy because it broke my ankle. With its special lacquer finish, transparent gold, Zamic cap, highlights the attention to detail and craftsmanship. I would agree. I think the presentation is really nice. I like the little detailing on the bottle around the edge. So, I really like the shape of the bottle. In addition to that, this little detailing around the edge here. I think that's cool. I like the color of the bottle. I love the simplicity of the black label with just the gold text. I think that looks awesome and really high end. So just on presentation alone, it feels high end. Okay, so the fragrance is available at Perfume Mania for $109.95, and you get 5% off if you buy on their website. So the top notes are cypress, bergamot, and heliotrope. Okay, that heliotrope is standing out to me. It's a very feminine leading floral, which is probably why I was, thinking this is more of a unisex fragrance than just an outright masculine fragrance, which makes sense because a lot of times when you're getting into that entry level luxury, think Mancera, Montal, those types of fragrances, and I would immediately put the quality of this alongside those. So I think the price they're asking for is very fair because that's fair market for entry level niche / luxury. But I digress. Top notes: cypress, bergamot, and heliotrope. Heart notes are jasmine, lavender, and bitter almond. Definitely getting the almond. And the base notes are vanilla, amber, and sandalwood. So right up my alley. I love fragrances like this. I don't know if this is inspired by anything, but Lomani is known for its French expertise with over 35 years of refining and perfecting the craft of perfumery. Like I said, I've tried their inexpensive offerings and I've really enjoyed them. So this is one, that almond and that heliotrope really stand out on me. So it has that nuttiness, a little bit of earthiness. The almond note is not going to be for everyone. I think some guys might think that leans a bit feminine. It's a note that is found in Parfums de Marly's Pegasus, and I love it. So if you're a fan of Pegasus, I'm not saying it smells like Pegasus, but if you like almond and fragrance, Guerlain, L'Homme Ideal, Eau de Parfum, amazing almond note. So I personally like that note and scent. I want to give this a couple minutes, let it dry down, and see what it does. So let's check back in a few.
A few moments later.
So the brand characterizes this as a floriental, powdery, woody scent. And I would say that's spot on. Up top, you get a lot of the florals. And heliotrope is not going to be for everyone. It's one of those notes, again, can lean very feminine for some. But I think the base here, the sandalwood, the woods, the vanilla, make this more unisex. So I really wouldn't say that this leans feminine. And I'm pretty sensitive to those types of fragrances. So yeah, this is absolutely something I would wear, 100%. So I'm excited to wear this. I think in terms of seasons, it's going to be cooler weather that you're probably going to want to look at something like this. Could you get away with it in the summer? Summer nights. I wouldn't wear this during the day. Never. But summer nights, 100%. So yeah, this is interesting. I'm actually really liking this one. It has a sort of seductiveness to it as well. I think this would be an interesting date night scent. Maybe a guy who is very confident, first date type of fragrance. This could work. This could grab some positive attention, in my opinion. I'd be curious to see what type of performance I get from it. It's not overpowering right now. It's not really projecting massively. So, but I think it's one of those sneaky performers. I think other people are going to smell this on you. It does have a uniqueness to it that you don't smell every day. So I wouldn't put it in the category as being mass appealing by any stretch. So yeah, definitely will wear this week and give you guys a little more insight into the performance in my weekly wears video, which drop every single Monday. So be curious, have you guys tried this one? If it's available, I don't know. Like I said, it is going to be available on Perfume Mania at some point. Whether if it is now or not, I'm not sure. $109.95, and you get 5% off if you buy it on their website. So I think it's worth that price, just instant, first reaction, but I want to give it a little more time in terms of performance and see what it does. I like this one. Lore Gold from Lomani. Guys, we are on the road to 19,000 subscribers. Once we hit it, I will be doing another giveaway. I'm currently doing a giveaway right now. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway, I will leave the video here. But if you like what you saw, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload something new. But until then, have a great day. Guys, I'm saving this for those of you who stuck around. That is the aftermath of dropping that bottle directly on my ankle. So just gives you a little perspective that, you know, hey, content creation can be a dangerous job. So, but I do it for you guys. I do it for the love of the game.